We found gas. Hank, thank you. That was a long ride. Oh man, I wonder how his legs are. Okay. Okay. Oh my God, we made it. เต็มครับ ขาแข็งแรงมากเลยนวดก่อน Oh man, that was crazy. We thought it was going to be a close one, but it was far. It was hella far, man. Oh, strong guy. Made it to Cha'am, man. Bike is behind me. I got the carburetor out. And it looks like there's a few starvation problems. I got the carburetor apart. And then what I just did right now is I had to bend the tab. Earlier it was down, so I added more fuel. It was at a slight angle. And this line right here should be at least leveled. At least that's what I think. So I'm gonna do that. That's what I'm gonna do right now is put it all back, and hopefully we won't have any more problem. All right. And it's not fun not having all your tools here, man. Look at what I had to do. I had to take apart my what do you call this? Everyday carry tool. But that's what you gotta do sometimes. And a bag of goodies. And I got all the boys here. Still nice and quiet. It's not a lot of people yet, which is good.
Yeah.